Please kiss me. I need kiss from mama. I thank you. I love you. I love. I should go outside. You want? Speak to mama, right? Mag-walking-walking na siya dira. Mag-chill-chill sa iyang pamati. Usually, in the morning, guys, I don't use foam cleanser. Kaya pin ako mag-dry gani akong skin. I think mas healthy ang akong skin. Nga dili ko mag-use of foam cleanser sa morning. Just like mama there. Let's go to Bambi. Go down. Go down. So, ang akong tanom. Go down. Baby, go down. Oops. Hello, Bambi. Outside, go outside. Go outside. Go outside. Pina, pi. Ka-cute. Nagdungag pangi. Ay, don't bite mama. Don't bite mama. No, Bambina is big. Bambina is big na. Yeah, I know. What? Stay. Abuya, what's that, baby? What's that? Mama. Baby, come here. Come here, mama. Kiss mama, baby. Slowly, ha? Play lang. I will cook banana cake for today, guys. Nag-search lang ko sa YouTube, ani. Kaya ako diri saging, murag padung na gini siya kalata. Tanaw lang ko sa YouTube, ani, usa ko nag-make. Let's see if sakto ba na itong banana cake. Let's make it. Guys, murag na-smell na gina ko ang kahumot. Excited na kay ko. Wala dyan ko na nga pick. Gulat ko maluto niya akong banana cake. So, let's check if di na siya mapilit. Oh. Okay, let's cook. Let's put it here. Smells good. So let's slice. Supposed to be, dili ni siya na ni kagamay. Pero sige na lang, oy. Then the other one naman, kaya wala ni siya ka na walnut. Gibutangan mo gud na kag walnut, tanawa. Kaning usa wala. So let's slice and let's try kung lami ba ni. Try. Kasulod kay moist din sa gawas kay ko ano. Nasayop ko og set up sa akong oven nga supposed to be wala katong fan gani. Pero okay ra siya look. No? And then let's pair it with coffee lang dayon. Then mag-make lang kog coffee for me, Ilba, and my husband. Kay wala pa ko'y coffee maker diri. Then for now, marasan niya akong gamiton. Favorite sa gyud ako ni guys. Just put cinnamon lang ani guys para humot. Taran. For husband, for Elba, and for me. Let's try. Sarap. Delicious. You try it, husband. It's yours. And you try my banana cake. You try my banana cake. It's not so good, but it's fine, right? Mga unta guys. Pasara man daw ingon ako nga suban. Daghan na? Tulo? Dagpo? Butang na dili paliw ka. Dili na. Dili na mo layat. Hadlo ka rambo. Baby, you're not gonna layat man no. Dila lang, ubos lang, dili ka doa ka na. Dili man na siya maus. Okay, makanira no? Wala nilain? Okay. Thank you. I think this is the coffee maker nga akong kuan guys, order online. But later na lang ako to siya open guys, kay we're going to vet clinic kay magpakuan mini Bambi pa vaccine niya today. What are you doing here, Langgi? You want your kuan space? You want your space? Siya ganahan sa muko ni Bambi. Gawas. Nagmaritis po sa delivery. Yeah, I know. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you, handsome boy. I love you, handsome boy. You're smiling. Yeah, I know. You happy? I love you. And today, pabaksin naman si Bambi, guys. Dili na lang ko mag-ilis. Magkalo na lang ko. Kadora man naman pabaksinan sa iya, ha. Yes, baby, let's go na. Come here, Dere. Where are you going? Come here, Dere. Where are you going? Come here. You're so big na. Don't bite Mama. Tara, love. Bambi, today we'll... Oh, no! No. Bambi will go to vaccine, baby. You stay here lang. You want together? You want together? No. You come there, Bambi. Oh, sus, nang luod ang rambut. Agay. Mag-vaccine ini today. Mag-vaccine eh. Nay. Why man you're sad? Dili na ako mag-ilis. Sanira akong suoton. Kaya balik, mag-ilis na ko. Let's go, Bambi! Let's go, baby girl! You're not scared, baby girl? You got to vaccine today? Yeah. Let's go! Ano ang haw? Dako kayo, guys. I think dili siya mangunsa. You're sleeping, baby girl. We're here now. Let's go? Let's go? You're not scared? You're not scared? For vaccine. Last na nga vaccine or?
Ika-third pa karon, ma'am.
Ika-third.
Vaccine after 2 weeks.
Maybe dilipi ko kagawas day-day. Napay 2 more to go. You're scared. You're scared. Strong man ay. Strong man ay. Right? Okay na. Strong jud ay kayo si Bambi kay wala man siya naghilak. The other dog kay dramatic ayo naghilak-hilak. Ka-cute niya, no? In fairness, aning Bambi ha. Liwat ning Rambo ha. Isog kayo, wala hilak-hilak. The other dog kay hilak man, baby, no? You're strong?
Yes.
Yes, you're strong, baby.
Tanaw lang gud siya.
Oh, yeah. Ka-good girl. You're so good girl, Langking. Padong nami sa city, guys, and grabe ka traffic today. Nga holiday man unta siya. Tanawa ko.
Traffic.
Hello, ma'am.
Sa Taps Restaurant, magbayad, sad?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
100
wow.
each, the 50 ang parking.
Kuan me. Pa 5.
550 dala sa parking.
100 each. Then 50 ang
You
parking.
checking how many?
50.
How is that?
Pati mukhaon sa restaurant na napibayad ni ay.
Na naman sa sulod, ma'am. Ang tapos sulod. Nasa second floor.
Bawa na diha sa gawas?
Balhinak na, ma'am.
Okay.
Parking ticket, sir, pasa sa parking.
Parking.
Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tickets, ma'am. Pasa sa may
Parking free, ah?
Ani, 50 pesos.
Change,
Oy.
50
Saka
pesos.
man.
Entrance pay, parking pay. 아이고,
Business si Mo ni ilang parkingan. Look at the parking.
여기로 가야 돼?
Yeah. They're parking, yeah.
엔트리 페이 따로,
맞아.
차 페이 따로. 그거는 뭐
Diri mi sa Taps of Cebu ni It, pero sa second floor na ni sila, so magbayad jud og entrance fee. Anyway, mag-order na ta. So na among food, guys. So mara na among gi-order.